Hello.
Hi Amisha.
Hi Chef Ajay, how are you?
अरे all good यार.
Sir, I really want to have something very tasty. कुछ जल्दी सा.
तो यहाँ जाओ फिर. I will make something for you. नहीं मतलब I will make very healthy, very tasty. Don't worry.
Healthy में? I mean, is it possible कि healthy भी हो tasty भी हो?
Yes, healthy and tasty.
Okay, ठीक है. See you in half an hour.
अरे आओ यार. I'll make something nice for you. Come.
Sure sir, bye.
Hi Amisha, welcome. Finally आप पहुँच गए.
Thank you so much.
Well, हम तैयार हैं. देखो आपको भूख लगी थी and I know that you wanted something healthy. So I have planned something nice.
Well, I cannot wait. I'm really starving और मैं wait नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मैं आपसे कुछ नया सीखूंगी आज.
Well, नया भी सीखेंगे, इंटरेस्टिंग भी बनाएंगे और बातें भी बहुत सारी करेंगे. तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं. I will take over the range. So, Amisha, can you guess what's happening?
Something healthy?
समथिंग हेल्दी क्योंकि सब्जियां दिख गई मतलब इतनी सारी
दिख गए.
एग्स दिख गए ना, बॉइल्ड एग्स वो भी है ना, कहीं पे तेल बटर दिख नहीं रहा. वैसे दुनिया मेरे को पता नहीं क्यों बोलती है कि इतना घी डालते हो शेफ. अरे मैं हेल्दी खाना भी बनाता हूँ क्योंकि हेल्दी खाना भी टेस्टी हो सकता है. यू नो इट कैन हैपन. सो टुडे कैन यू सी द ऑयल?
That's what I was about to ask.
Oh, there is oil. Don't worry. There is oil because we need some medium to cook. But the whole recipe is very interesting. So the dish is the bowl. Okay, so 5 elements as I said. First is zucchini. Zucchini मैं 2 टाइप से डालूंगा. Okay, so ये मैंने batons already काट के रखे हैं and then I thought I'll also teach you how to cut nice slices of zucchini. Okay. So पहले ना इसका bed बना दो. See this? And now see this.
Okay.
Right? So it helps you to just get a firm grip. So you just get thin slices of it and it actually tastes brilliant with the seeds. But a lot of people don't eat seeds. So अगर आपको seed नहीं अच्छे लगते तो I can always remove it, right? But zucchini all the way, I just love. Here just salt and pepper. That's it. So सबसे पहले हल्का सा olive oil. You know I am cumulatively देखो इसको आधा टीस्पून भी नहीं है.
Exactly. इसमें हो जाएगा?
इसमें हो जाएगा नहीं, इसमें सब कुछ हो जाएगा. It's a good way of cooking because it really consumes less oil. Okay. And quick है. तो कभी आपके पास टाइम नहीं है या कभी आप जिम से फटाफट आए, you know, it has a quick hunger pang. तो ये zucchini को लिया, स्लाइस किया, बेसिक सॉल्ट पेपर नींबू डाला and I'm telling you, if you taste this, you will actually just start eating this and nothing else. So while this is happening, what I will do is I will do the chickpeas. So I am still going to go with a little more oil for the chickpeas because now these are two different dishes technically. तो ऑयल कम डालेंगे.
Okay.
तो you know चीज़ें चिपकेंगी नहीं. And little bit of garlic, just very little. So a lot can happen without actually you know thinking too much कि यार मैं को हेल्दी खाना है, मैं क्या खाऊं, मैं ये नहीं खा सकती, मैं वो नहीं खा सकती. You know, come on.
So I have a question. Usually जैसे इंडियन फैमिलीज में कहा जाता है कि जब भी हम कुछ बनाते हैं गार्लिक जब हम डालते हैं तो वो रेड होना चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ है? वो
कलर ब्लाइंड होती है हमारी मम्मियाँ क्योंकि रेड ये कलर होता है. है ना, वो ये ब्राउन होता है. तो मेरी मम्मी भी ऐसी बोलती है यार ज़्यादा लाल कर दिया तूने. वो लाल नहीं है मम्मी, वो ब्राउन है. वो रेड ये है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग कलर ब्लाइंड होती है हमारी मम्मियाँ. ओके, सो गार्लिक के बाद हमने डाल दिया चने. नाउ अगेन बेसिक सॉल्ट pepper. So now all I need is the grill to become hot enough so that I have marks here.
But this looks so good. Oh my god.
It will taste also very good. Just wait up.
Sure.
थोड़ा सा fresh coriander. हाँ डाल दो. Right. So I want you to taste this when it is not so hot, but it is really.
It looks amazing.
So I put salt. So this I made only salt, pepper, a little bit of oregano. This I'm making a little Indian taste. So इसमें ginger, salt, chili, cumin,
okay,
and garlic. So ginger, garlic, okay, and माड़ा जा lemon juice. See मेरा पंजाबीपन जब तक मेरे खाने के साथ नहीं आता ना तो टेस्ट नहीं आता. So I have to be the Punjabi in me. And really hot pan.
Olive oil.
Olive oil. and this goes right in. So ये गया step number 2. So zucchini 1 done, zucchini 2 almost getting done. Putting this all together separately, because ultimately it's almost like a meal, it's almost like a bowl. So we have this ready, then we have the zucchini ready, we'll have this zucchini ready. The third thing we will do is make our dressing, and then fourth thing is make a salad.
Okay, so this is our third dish.
This is our third element. So Amisha, the lovely chole, zucchini and the other texture of zucchini is ready. You know, if I have to chop some mint, which I have to for our dressing, then it just helps me to, you know, chop it fine.
I want to try.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. Yeah, go for it. Ungli bachana bas.
I did it.
You did it. You actually did it. And you reminded me of that Indian woman कि जब इतनी नाइफ से काम हो जाता है तो इतनी बड़ी नाइफ क्यों चाहिए? Right? Actually, all the green herbs are actually chopped from here. You know, so it actually helps you to get a finer chop.
Okay.
But that's okay. I think it's your first time, so you did really well. And since you've done that, would you mind marinating this lovely salad for me? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I love carrot.
Go for it.
Onion.
Onion कम खाएंगी, obviously. Onion से smell आएगी and all of that.
This. And
you put some salt and lemon. So very quick salad. This can actually be topped up on anything, right? You know, in Maharashtra we have this kachumbar salad. So this is a form of kachumbar where you basically cut the vegetables a little differently. Now the last part is our lovely amaranth leaves. By the way, amaranth, so it is very healthy. It is full of iron like any other saag, but it also has, you know, great amount of roughage, very tasty, very flavorful, and a lovely color. Look at that, you know, that beautiful green reddish. And all I'm doing is not even chopping it. So all the flavors of whatever we've done up till now are here in the pan. Do you like sesame flavor? Yes. You like Chinese, right?
Yeah, I love Chinese.
So a little bit of sesame will always help. Garlic, sesame, so a little bit of pepper, salt, and lemon always helps. But lemon always in the end, because it makes the dish bitter. All right, so this is really about it. This is getting wilted. So मतलब जो लोग चिकन विकन नहीं खाते ना उनके लिए बढ़िया ये ऑप्शन है, because it's got everything. It's got the chana with the protein. You know, it's got all this nutrition with this amazing leaf salad. By the way, nutrition week में आपने मुझे याद किया, मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. मतलब you just made my whole thing alive कि हाँ यार अजय चोपड़ा can do nutrition week.
I was sure कि इस वर्ल्ड में कोई मेरे इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करे या ना करे, शेफ अजय जरूर करेंगे.
देख लो, अब मैं सारी घी की डिशेज नहीं बनाता हूँ, मैं सारी हेल्दी भी बनाता हूँ. एंड दिस इज इट. आई एम नॉट कुकिंग दिस एनी मोर देन what it is looking right now. So this is called as a wilted stage of any leaf. So I've got wilted amaranth, I've got this lovely salad. Now let's just bring this entire bowl together. It will be lovely. So Amisha, amaranth done, salad done, chickpeas done, zucchini done. Final step is the dressing. Okay, कोई भी bowl आप खाओगे, salad bowl खाओगे, whole meal bowl खाओगे, उसमें you will need some kind of moisture. I've taken now some yogurt and I'm going to give it a little bit of that Indian तड़का.
Salt.
रायता बना रहा हूँ.
I mean, नॉर्थ इंडिया में तो हर घर में रायता बहुत ज़रूरी है.
बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. और अगर रायते को हम इस गोरे तरीके से खाएंगे ना तो बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगा, क्योंकि ये है इंटरेस्टिंग. अब इसे कर दो विस्क 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 विस्क.
मैं करूँ?
हाँ प्लीज. हो गया. डन. सो आई प्रेफर द ड्रेसिंग टू वेज. वन इज आपको थोड़ी प्लेटिंग प्रेजेंटेशन भी सिखाए थे,
Please,
है ना? सो लुक एट दिस बोल. आर्टिस्टिक, white. Okay, a spoon of this lovely raita. Whoa, it is. So we'll start with color combinations.
Sure.
A little bit of that orangish. Now I want you to taste it. and tell me how really this is tasty. Now texture number 2. So you can also add lettuce if you like lettuce. You know, just fill this bowl with lettuce and you can have that. But we have a crunch with our lovely beautiful cucumber salad. So ये पतला वाला मैंने इसलिए लिया था that I can do this. And now finally
Salad.
some salad to top it up. Fresh mint will go really well. Fresh coriander will go really well. And if you are an vegetarian, you can add egg. Non-vegetarian, add grilled chicken. Vegetarian, add nothing. So egg ho jaye. And I've kept the egg, you know, you can see the egg soft, okay, wobbly. So I'm not going to make a popat out of me. I'm going to cut it here.
Woo! This looks so good.
So here you go, Amisha. Your lovely Buddha bowl is ready.
Finally.
What I would do is actually start mixing it around.
Okay.
So have a little bit of the, you know, this along with the dressing, then pour a little bit this here, and then just mix it up and then have it. So Amisha, कैसा लगा?
To be very frank, जब मैं यहाँ पे आई थी इतनी सारी चीज़ें देख के मुझे लगा बहुत टाइम लगेगा, but it hardly took, I mean, 15 minutes.
ताम झाम था, but टेस्ट कैसा था?
So good, like 10 out of 10.
So वो करना भी ना इजी है. It's not very difficult to get all those things together. आपको zucchini काटनी दिखाई है, वैसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैं दिखाते रहता हूँ अपने चैनल पर. So healthy can be tasty. फ़ायदा हुआ ना, मतलब #nutrition में आ जाएगा. देखो फ़ायदा होता रहता है.
So guys, like, share and subscribe. Chef Ajay Chopra.
क्योंकि वहाँ पर सिर्फ हम समोसे नहीं तल रहे, हेल्दी खाना भी बन रहा है.